While mixtures can be separated by physical means, a pure substance can only be separated by a chemical change. If you are looking at a sample of water, it is made of many, many water molecules. Each molecule is made of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms, hence H2O. But we cannot split water molecules into these elements by a physical process. Each water molecule has the same set of physical properties, so they will all behave the same way no matter what physical process you subject them to. The only way to get the individual molecules to break apart is to do chemistry. This is because we can only break apart the chemical bonds that hold the oxygen and hydrogen atoms together by inducing a chemical change. We can split the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen molecules by a process called electrolysis. This is a chemical change because chemical bonds in the water molecules are breaking and new chemical bonds are forming to generate completely new substances. When this happens, we know chemistry has occurred. Chemical properties are basically just describing the kinds of chemistry a substance will do. We may be familiar with some of the words that describe chemical properties. These include flammability, toxicity, and many others. These words describe the kinds of chemistry a substance will or won't do. We could ask, how likely is it for a particular metal to rust? This is a chemical property because the process of acquiring rust is due to metal atoms forming new chemical bonds with oxygen atoms from the air. This is an example of a chemical change. So to summarize, a physical process is one in which the identity of the molecules does not change, and a chemical process is one in which the identity of the molecules does change. Mixtures can be separated into pure substances by physical processes, but pure substances can only be separated into smaller components by chemical processes.